Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to get, you know, free course on Udemy. So if you are thinking of learning a skills or learning a particular course on Udemy for free, then this video is for you. So get your Udemy app and sign up. So if you're wondering how to sign up, there's a link in the description below where you can go visit the video, then you will know how to sign up for Udemy. So after you sign up, open the app. Okay, open the app and tap on the search icon. So tap on the search icon, tap on the search icon. Yeah, and search for the particular course that you want to learn. So let's say I want to learn about digital marketing. So I want to learn about digital marketing. So search for the particular course that you want to learn or skills. Yeah. So after the results are in, tap on the filter icon. You realize at the search bar there's a filter icon in there. So tap on the filter icon. Tap on the filter icon. Yeah. And make sure you toggle the free. So tap on the free. Yeah, make sure the free is toggled. So tap on the free. As you can see in here, the free is toggled. Then tap on the apply. So apply. Yeah, and that's it.